attendance has been kind of through the roof. You know, I did a seminar yesterday afternoon. I thought I was going to have, because it was the last one of the day, typically you don't get much of the audience in those. Suddenly I look up and I mean, there was the room was almost full. So MBS is definitely, it seems to be the buzz of the entire show. It really does.
I can't even tell you how I'm feeling about the show and the response we've got. We expected to get a lot of walk-in and people being inquisitive, but they're not just inquisitive. They're dying and saying, we got to have it right now. And the response from manufacturers, distributors, designers, far exceeded anything we expected coming here. And for us to win this as best technology of the show is far beyond what we anticipated when we started this process. I've been here since its conception, working on the technical side, and I'm absolutely blown away with the whole platform and what we can do with it. And to see something like this come to this industry, the way it changes how we do things, I've not seen anything that's revolutionary in my lifetime and all the years I've been in the flooring business. So I'm just proud to be a part. It just tickles me pink.
I think it blew away our expectations. You hope when you spend this much time on a project that everybody sees in it what you do. I think winning the technology award is validation that this whole team and all the work and effort we put in is valuable and worth it. We're really excited. We've got a lot of work to do. This is the tip of the iceberg, but at least we have something to go back to work through as we launch this project. So about 2.5 years ago, the WFCA acquired the assets of CFI, Certified Flooring Installers International. And at that meeting, at the first convention, I met a gentleman who said, I've invented something that's going to change the industry. And honestly, my thought was, why does every wacko in the world find me? And I tried to brush him off, but he said, well, it helps with installation. And that's been our big issue. It's part of the reason we brought CFI in the fold was there's an installation crisis. We don't have enough installers in the industry. We needed to find a way to allow installers to work longer with less wear and tear on their body and potentially to install more within a shorter time frame. And this product does that. And so Shane showed it to me and I began to realize, okay, we need to be a part of that. So we've acquired 50% of the patent on this product and we actually help direct which manufacturers, distribution, they're out to market with it. You know, crazy me in my mind, people say, what do you want to do? And I want to change the world. I think you change it one thing at a time and one person at a time. And we're in this because it impacts the lives of people. It allows installers to have work, to make more money because they can install more product in a given day. It makes retail vital again because retailers are beginning to lose that. Millennials weren't shopping in specialty flooring stores, but they find magnetics cool, and so this gets them back in. It makes that connection. It shortens the buying cycle. So where people were buying every 5 to 7 years with carpet, now with hard surface, that's been every 10 to 15 years. We can bring that back down because you take the hassle of changing product out. It's easy again.
Oh, it's been really good. We've had a lot of good correspondence with a lot of manufacturers, retailers. People like the system, and because it's not the same old as everything else. It's, you know, the first universal platform out there, and designers really like it because they have the ability to change. And a lot of people understand that now that it's an actual platform, you actually have to see it to see what it does for you. So from here, I actually think that there are a lot of manufacturers and a lot of end users, such as multifamily home builders, casinos, whatnot, that are in test trials right now. And that once it's actually put down on the ground, and that a lot of people get their hands on it and they understand how easy it is to replace and change, that we believe that it's going to exponentially grow very quickly.